Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm outside right now. It's like 3 in the morning, and I woke up because the pigs were squealing outside, and so I think that they're having pigs, little piglets babies. So I'm gonna see if I can give a shot and show you guys what's happening. Okay, I'll show you when I get there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm setting up the infrared. Hey! Hey! Hey, Mama Pig! You can't see the babies right now. Mustard! How you doing? Ooh. I see placenta. Ooh, it's gross. Okay. There it is. I'll see if I can show you a picture of this. So tiny. Can you hold this, please? Just like that.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
Where is it?
See, it's right behind her. There it is. It's standing up. Oh my goodness, it's so little. There it is. There it is. Black and white.
There.
Yeah, there they are.
Look at them.
I know. Oh my goodness.
So tiny.
Little. They need the heat on them.
Okay, so we're going to put the heat lamp in there for the baby piglets.
Right.
They are so tiny. Right. So these are brand new baby potbelly pigs. There's 11 of them. The date today.
Born on the day that Dad died.
This is July 7th, and
2 o'clock in the morning.
4th litter, 2 a.m. There we are.
Oh my goodness.
So tonight I'm not going to be sleeping much. I'm going to be making sure that all the babies are getting fed.
They're so tired. Well, there's a good chance you're going to lose 1 or 2 anyway.
Well, we'll see.
She can't even feed all 11. She doesn't have enough tits.
That's true. It doesn't.
She has 10.
Come on, little all black down there. It's fighting.
Well, just take the ugly one out.
The mama?
Yeah, the mama.
I don't need her yet.
Their mouths are so small, they can hardly get the nipple into their mouth. Look at that.
Alright.
Oh, just look at this, look at this, look at this, going way too far. And that one's falling asleep right on top of the nipple. There's only 10?
There's 11. 1, 2, 3. I'll count them on video. I can pause it.
Yeah, it's best way. Move around too much.
There's 11.
11?
Yeah, because
there's
like 3 down at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
There's a couple that are really small.
Yeah. Like the one down the ass there.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a couple that are almost pure black, just like pink, or like Porker's was. Aww. They're just a shivering. That one keeps climbing on top of everybody else.
Okay. Well, that concludes our video. It's Black Frame World saying, I don't know what I'm saying. It's really early. Hopefully you had a good night's sleep, and these are our baby pigs.